Hi, good morning. We're making coffee with a pour over set that I got from Starbucks. It was $17. It beats going to buy coffee all the time. Here's the top that you have on the top to pour the coffee in. Here are the grounds inside. It brews the coffee right on top. It is currently brewing. We poured the hot water on top and it's brewing in there. Hopefully you can see it. And of course we have Dunkin' Donuts creamer and a Starbucks ad. Sorry, we got Dunkin' decaf. And we use hazelnut creamers. And it is called a pour over set from Starbucks. See if I can lift it up here and show you guys. Brewed coffee. Gotta love it.